Wense Dr. William Ruto litkolia lero nigaumĩrana na kubwatuka ababalozi bense ya Kenya Gochia ase chinse chesko okwana ime nyumba yoborai bwense ase geikarekyo yakorekana niga serikali enene ya Kenya egoche kubwaterana na ababalozi abo iliyokolenta amagendero asense nabo igokoenekia ense ya Kenya yasukire Gochia ase Ebirengo bigoro. Ense ya Kenya nigo ebwate ebitoki bisaine anemono ebango eyegokonya ase amagendero. Murikicho Debora Kerubo natwariganiria oroboturwe.
Omorai bwense William Ruto ritukulia lero nigaumirana na kubwatuka ababalozi bense ya Kenya Gochia ase chinse cheisiko okwana ime nyumba yoborai bwense ase geikarekia korekana nigo serikali enene ya Kenya igoche kubwaterana na ababalozi abo iliyokorenta amagendero asense nabo igokoenekia ense ya Kenya yasukire Gochia ase Ebirengo beigoro.
You are aware there is already a national discourse on where we want Kenya to be, because we believe there is greater potential for our country in many respects, that Kenya should not be in the place where we are. We deserve a better place. We belong to a better place. And we will be working collectively, those of us serving within the Republic and those of us serving outside Kenya, towards a common goal of elevating the status of our country to a first world country. I believe, and I am convicted, that it is a possibility that is achievable.
Ababalozi abo nigo baboli wakobekomokia asemiremo yabo kirobare chinse cheisiko nabo igokoenekyo kubwaterana kuya gwense ya Kenya ne chinse chinde.
It is a solemn calling that demands discipline, judgment, and fidelity, especially to the national interest of Kenya. As it is expected that with great privilege comes great responsibility. You will be Kenya's representatives in different capitals around the world, and you are expected to steadfastly safeguard our national interest and also foster strong, mutually beneficial relations with friendly nations in pursuit of our foreign exchange, foreign relations objectives.
Ense ya Kenya nigebwate bitoki bisaine anene mono ebange yegokonya asa amagenderero tinga kibono chibesa chikagere gochie gosangererwa kurwa sobonchereria chire bilioni 120 echo chigo chigokonya ase emerobero ya amagenderero.
We can leverage what we have today in terms of the taxes we collect, the assets that we have, the natural resources that are available within the borders of our country, to raise the requisite resources for us to drive our development in a very consequential manner. Yesterday, we began the first step when we went to the capital markets to raise almost 120 billion Kenya shillings using the Kenya Pipeline IPO. In the next month or so, we will have raised that money, and its application, as I have clearly stated, will be solely for the development of infrastructure.
Debora Kirubo, Nsoko TV.